Hello, dear friend. Nice to see you again. This is Cathy from Guangzhou QQ Company. I want to introduce our QQ slider mold factory to you today. So you can see here. We are making the different slider mold. For example, this is the Zin mold. This is the Meta number 5 auto slider mold. This one is made by 50 tons, 15 tons. This is the pin lock. Okay, this is made by 30 tons pin lock slider body mold. And this one is a non-locker slider body mold, which will be made by 68 tons. Because nowadays the coaster has been reduced cheaper already. We are also making different puller. Okay, you see puller and invisible slider and the pin box also. Any the die casting mold, even the back accessory. For example, the dog hook, buckle, or any the products which is made by the Zin die casting mold, we can make. Okay, for the zipper slider and the back accessory business slide. Okay, we are also making the POM slider mold. For example, this is auto lock slider body mold, and this is also double puller. Okay, this is double puller non-locker, and this one non-locker slider with the 72 capacity. This is the old construction with 2 injection point, one from here, one from here. Okay, now we have the new model just from here. Okay, and the puller and the body together inside. Okay, and now more and more customers like to make the capacity, for example, 48 tons with the new model, because it's very easy to separate the slider out from this injection flame. Very easy, and it can be injection foot. So dear friends, if you want to buy any molds related to zipper slider or back accessory, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.